What have we here? Looks like a little red Honda followed us home today. And this little spree here wasn't going to start, according to someone else. But that isn't what she did for us. No,
Sure.
no, sir. She's running. And it's not bad sounding. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh. She wants to go.
Yeah, she does.
Let's go ahead and just have that classic look.
What does it say right there?
That's a Honda.
That's right. That's why it started.
Yeah.
Who sold to us is non-running. Would need a bit of work. They wanted. He said 650. I saw it at 550. We talked him down. We brought it all the way down to 325. I see low battery indicator. We're gonna wrap this up, but it runs.
It's a Honda.
Woo-hoo.